tere tulemast Tartu Noorsootöö Keskuse YouTube'i kanalile. Täna ma olen taas siin meie vabatahtliku Beataga, kes siis otsustas kõik enda asjad oma kodumaal siis selja taha jätta. Ja nüüd me uurimegi tema käest, et mida see vabatahtlik töö endast siis ette kujutab ja kellele seda üldse soovitada. Nii et ole hea, jätta sellele videole like ja subscribe'i meie kanalit. Video on inglise keeles, sellepärast et Beata kõneleb siis ungari keeles ja mina kõnelen eesti keeles üldiselt. Aga selle jaoks, et me saaksime seda diskussiooni siin pidada, peame me siis rääkima inglise keeles. Nii siis hakkame pihta. We are going to start with your introduction. So who are you and where are you from?
So my name is Beata and I came from Hungary.
And what did you do in Hungary?
I was working in a museum, the Hungarian National Museum, as an adult educator. So basically I took guided tours, organized events, festivals, lectures. I worked with museologists, curators and do the paperwork.
So as you were working there, where did you get the thought of going somewhere abroad like Estonia? And how did you decide it, or why did you want to go away from Hungary?
I was thinking about going abroad for a couple of years. And last year I felt that, this is the right time to go somewhere else and do something different what I'd done before. As a university student, we also have this opportunity to go abroad and study there for 1 term or 2 terms. But I don't know why, but I didn't feel myself ready to go somewhere else. And I just missed that chance. And I felt something is missing from my life. And this is, I think, why I felt that, okay, just go somewhere else and just try myself. And okay, is it for me or not? Because later I know that I will force myself that why you didn't do that. Yeah, I decided to just give a chance to go abroad as a volunteer. And I found this website, the European Solidarity Corps website, and my friend suggested it to me because she was also a volunteer in that time in Portugal. And I started to just look after some programs, and I just knew that I want to go to North Europe. I don't know why, because I love winter, I love snow, but I can't stand the cold.
Okay, so
how it was a challenge for me.
Yeah, I wanted to ask you, how are you enjoying the Estonian weather now?
Yeah, it's really enjoyable, especially this minus 25, 7. So yeah, I'm still alive.
So that's a great start.
Yes.
And when did you come here and when are you going away? I didn't want to ask you, like...
Okay, you should just go back.
Or maybe you should just start going away right now.
Yes, so I arrived at the end of August and I will be here at the end of August. So it's a 1-year-long program.
Okay, as you mentioned, you were looking at the European Solidarity Corps website.
Yes.
And so how much does it cost for you to go abroad for 1 year and volunteer somewhere?
As a volunteer, it's completely free because everything is paid by the hosting organization or the coordinating organization. It depends on the program. But here the coordinating and the hosting organization is the same organization and the same person. But as I said, it depends on the program. So everything is paid by the organization, the flying ticket, the flat renting, basically the travel costs in the city as well. So I just have to pay for my food and other
necessities.
Yes, thank you. Yeah. Entertainment.
So if you want to go somewhere, then you have to pay for it yourself.
Yeah.
Okay. And how are you enjoying it?
I really enjoy it, actually. It's so refreshing.
Okay. And I'm actually thinking that you're not volunteering here alone.
So I live with 2 other volunteers here, and they are from different countries. And for me, it was really interesting to live with others from different countries because I also studied cultural mediation. I'm always really interested in different cultures, cities and people as well, just to meet them. So I really enjoy it as well.
The experience all along is very good. Yeah. So you're working right now at Anne Youth Center. What are your goals here and what do you have to do?
I have to the other youth workers to just organize workshops or other events in the youth center, and also organize outside programs or just go somewhere else, not just in this center, but just help in organizing some other festivals or just city events. So basically, this is my job.
So I think that maybe some people who have thought about it, as you pointed out, that when you were in university, you had this possibility, but you didn't use it.
Yes.
But who would you offer this experience to, or would you maybe I am the person who is thinking about volunteering? Would you offer this to me, or who would you offer that?
This program is for everybody who is interested in volunteering, not just in their countries, just somewhere else, and who is interested in just in different countries, cultures as well, or just be really open and be prepared for everything. That's the main thing.
So, I would actually like to ask you, like you said, to be open about anything. What has surprised you the most, or what is the brightest experience you have gained here in Estonia?
Before I came here, basically I didn't know anything about this country. I just knew that, yes, here is this small country, and we heard about that it's a really good country to live. And digitally very well equipped, and the educational system is also good. I mean, just comparing to the Hungarian educational system. And I arrived here, I experienced that everything is really digital here, and everybody is really open. So if I need help, I can ask somebody, and everybody can speak in English. I mean, not everybody, but a lot of people can speak.
It's surprising for you.
Yes.
Okay. Is there anything else you would like to add?
So if you have questions, you can write it down into the comment section, or just directly to Anna's Instagram or Facebook group, or
wherever. Beata is ready to answer every your question.
Yes, in every language. No.
So thank you, Beata, for being in the video again.
Yeah, thank you for having me again.
And is there anything you would like to say to our viewers out there?
As I've been here for almost 5 months now. Wow.
That's actually a very long time.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, we have been friends for 5 months now.
But I think that was the best idea and the best choice what I just made last year. So if you are thinking about this, it doesn't matter how long, but just take it, because later you will be really grateful for these experiences.
Wise words. Aitäh, et sa vaatasid seda videot, ja ma loodan, et sa said siit mõtteid kas siis ise minna ja avastada maailma või siis lihtsalt ühe kogemuse võrra jälle rikkamaks. Nii et kui sulle meeldis see video, siis jäta like ja kindlasti subscribe'i meie kanalit ja lülita sisse ka märguanded, et kui me uue video oleme, siis sa kindlasti näed neid. Ja nüüd siis meie poolt tšauki tšau tänaseks päevaks. Nii et tšau!